Welcome to the Operator Huddle, weekly scorecard, and cadence demo. If you want consistent cash flow, clarity, and a manager-run business that doesn't need you daily, this is the system. This session will show you exactly how we run our Operator Huddle using the live weekly scorecard and a simple cadence. Follow along on screen, copy the format, and level up your operation. No fluff, just what works. Let's get started. Framing the weekly huddle. Every week, the owner and the manager meet for 20 to 30 minutes, structured, focused, and data-driven. The goal? Keep business results green. Fix red and yellow before it's too late. And make sure everyone is rowing in the same direction. You're not checking in for small talk. You're aligning for cash flow, margins, and customer experience. Up first, the scorecard. Top row, bookings, actual versus target. We track not just numbers, but the exact win rate by lead source and service category. Next, average order value. How much revenue you're bringing in per job, week over week. Gross margin percentage, how much profit you keep after direct costs. The goal is always to stay inside 45 to 65%. We highlight any drifts, so it's caught early. Labor percentage, this is your operating lever. Keep it under the monthly cap. Typically, no more than 35%. Over time, spikes turn into red cells. Next, AR days. How long it's taking you to payment. Under 30 is green. Over 35, you need a game plan. NPS, Net Promoter Score. Your customers' trust and likelihood to refer. Green means you're earning repeat work. Underneath, call out any yellow or red. Driver, brief comments. Expected fix. Demo, entering the week's numbers. Let's fill in a live set of numbers this week. 48 bookings. Target was 50, slightly yellow. Note why. AOV 267, steady green. GM percentage 52. Solidity is the band. Labor 32%. No overtime. AR days 26. Fast, no stuck balances. NPS 61. Excellent. A high leverage red. You hit it first thing in the huddle. Cadence, weekly, monthly, quarterly rhythm. Week to week, you review the scorecard, call out the yellows and the red, and agree to your fixes. Monthly review for the rolling P&L, expenses, margin, bigger initiative. Quarterly, reset targets, upgrade playbooks, run a formal check-in on SOP compliance. The rhythm produces discipline. We don't just rely on managers' feel, we trust numbers on the screen. Operator dialogue demo, sample owner. Bookings trailed target by 2. What's the main driver? Operator? Rain slowed service calls early week. We rescheduled, but extra marketing will help next week. Owner? GM percentage dipped last month. What changed? Operator. Material cost spiked or 2 jobs. Already negotiated new pricing and supplier. See how this creates immediate action? No surprises, no drama. Corrective action. Role of owner versus manager. The owner's job? Hold the cadence, ask direct questions, guarantee discipline. The manager's job? Bring data, own outcomes, communicate plans. No hidden yellows or reds. If action items pop up, the manager logs the item. Owner follows up on the next huddle. No recap lost in emails. Common scorecard issues? Bookings are low. Look at marketing, lead flow, pricing, and reviews. AOV lags? Review discounting, upsell process. Margin dips? Tighten cost control. Negotiate supply. retrain techs on efficiency, labor spikes, schedule tightening, overtime clamp down, AR days balloon, immediate AR calls, update payment terms, NPS tanks, dig into root cause, fix service issues, re-engage repeat clients. Wrapping up, what to do next. This weekly operator huddle and scorecard cadence is the system that unlocks owner freedom and sustainable profit. Copy the template, run your first huddle this week. If you want our full template and SOP stack, download the SBA Ready packet and take the 3-minute fit assessment at Azgari.com. We'll walk you through setting your personalized cadence, targets, and operator dashboard so you can step back with confidence. Run the machine, keep cash flow green, control margins, sleep better.